Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Introducing Multi-Agent Systems. Imagine a group of friends playing a game together. Each friend is an agent with its own goals and decisions. Multi-agent systems are like this, but for computers. They are groups of intelligent entities that work together to solve problems. Multi-agent systems are useful in many real-world applications, like autonomous vehicles, social robots, and even video games. They can help create more dynamic and interactive environments for us to interact with. Think of a multi-agent system as a network of computers or devices that communicate with each other to achieve a common goal. Each agent in the system has its own set of rules and algorithms, but they all work together to solve problems. There are different types of multi-agent systems, such as decentralized, centralized, or hybrid systems. Decentralized systems have no single point of control, while centralized ones do. Hybrid systems use both approaches. Developing a multi-agent system can be challenging, because each agent needs to work together and make decisions that affect the entire system. We need to consider factors like communication, coordination, and learning. Multi-agent systems are used in many fields, including robotics, game development, finance, healthcare, and more. They can help automate complex tasks and improve decision-making processes. In summary, multi-agent systems are groups of intelligent entities that work together to solve problems. They have many real-world applications and are useful in various fields. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.